In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to live stream on DJI Drone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. To stream live with the DJI Fly app, ensure you have version January 4th, 12 or later. The app supports RTMP live streaming and can stream to platforms that allow RTMP protocols. To start, open the Image Transmission settings to share the flight screen. Note that live streaming is not supported with the DJI RC remote controller, and only RTMP streaming is available for models like the DJI Air 3S Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro with the DJI RC2. You can choose between 1080p or 720p resolution, and the bitrate options vary by device. For iOS, use 2 megabits per second or 1 megabit per second. For Android, you can select 5 megabits per second or 3 megabits per second. Before streaming, ensure the app is connected to the internet and that your platform account has live stream permissions. To begin, power on your drone and remote. Connect the remote to the app and tap Go Fly. Go to Transmission. Live streaming platforms. RTMP, and enter the RTMP address and code from your platform. After entering your settings, tap Start to begin the live stream, and the stream will start once the countdown finishes. A red icon will appear to confirm it's live. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.